Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've just woken up, as you can see. I'm doing like a day in my life type thing because like new year, new me, and I started going to the gym, eating healthy. Well, not really eating healthy, I just have healthier dinners, but I still snack and eat chocolate and stuff. But I thought I'd film like a day in my life of like my gym routine. So today I've actually got kind of a busy day because in 2 days I'm going to Dubai. I'm getting my lashes done today. So basically I'm waking up now, I'm going to the gym at 1 with Chloe and Ava, and then at 3:30 I'm getting my lashes done for holiday. I'm just getting classic. Okay, so for the gym I'm going to wear these shorts which are from Bow & Tea, and then I've just got this t-shirt which has like a little design on it, but it's just plain black basically. And then over the top I'm going to wear our new debut tracksuit, the Lovers one. Look how messy it is up there because I've got all my accessories out for holiday, got a bit of my makeup out, hair stuff. This is like this is my starting to pack pile. I've kind of just chucked all my summer stuff and now I need to put it together to make sure I have outfits. I put on these Zara leggings because I've realised I haven't shaved my legs because if I shave them too much my eczema flares up on my legs, so I haven't shaved them for like a bit because I need to shave them for holiday, if that makes sense. Okay, so basically when I do my hair I always maybe I'll try and balance the camera like this so you can see me. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I have like the front bangs things. I just get the straighteners, run them down and then just flip them like at the end like that. Put the roller in, roll it up, and then just add a little clip. I just add like a little flick at the end like this. I don't think I'm going to do my mascara because I'm getting my lashes done and then I have to rub it off. So I think I'm just going to go with no mascara. Also the other week got an Apple Watch for the gym so I can track all my workouts. Oh my god, and later tonight I'm making the best dinner from HelloFresh. Because obviously it's like really easy to use HelloFresh because you literally get the exact amount of ingredients, and because I'm young, obviously I'm not good at cooking, but it's all like the instructions are so clear and everything, so I'm really excited to be having dinner tonight. Oh my gosh, recently I've actually been obsessed with 8 Ball. Me and my mates have been playing and it is actually addictive. Like I was gonna go downstairs and make lunch, but instead I just played 8 Ball, and Chloe thought she was really good yesterday, and then I was playing it all night last night and now I'm good, so I just beat her twice in a row. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab something to eat because I've realised from where I woke up at 11 I haven't actually eaten anything because I was gonna get food but then I played 8 Ball. So I'm gonna go downstairs and make some food. Holly's dropping me to the gym and Ava and Chloe already got that. They went straight from school, but I didn't have a lesson today, so yeah, I'm on my way now. Gym girl, getting them gains. Woo. At the gym with my gym buddies, building the bunda. Then I'll work out. And now they're going home. I'm going to Sainsbury's to get a pasta pot before I get my lashes done. I literally look like a bald rat right now. I didn't actually film any of the workout at all because it wasn't even busy, but there was just people in there. And so I didn't. It's just fake love. Oh, help yourself, Joe. Yesterday I actually kind of forgot to film, and I called myself a YouTuber. But basically, obviously I went to the gym and stuff, and then I didn't even get to make my HelloFresh that night because I went out with my friends, so I didn't even get to cook my food, but I get to cook it tonight and I'm so excited because I've literally been staring at the food in the fridge and I've like my mouth waters when I see it, so I'm really excited. But I'm going to school now because I didn't have a lesson until the end of the day, and so now I need to go to school. I had a PCR because I'm going to Dubai tomorrow, yeah, but I also need to run into Kingston and return stuff from Zara because if I don't return it now then I'll lose out on the money. I need to leave for school because it's like a compressed day, so it means I have to go to school earlier. But I didn't know that until like half an hour ago, and I had like so much homework for English to do, thinking I had more time, but I didn't. So I just had to rush, quickly do it now. And here's Chloe. Chloe. Are you in it? I can't see. Oh, there you are. Look who's dropping me to school. Are you dropping me to school, Cokes?
Oh, okay.
Oh, from her cake thing that she made at school. Chloe, you dropping me to school? Where's your shoes? She's so dramatic. I don't know where she gets it from. Aww. Oh, you haven't seen me vlog like this before. Mate, look at me. I'm stealing Ava's bikinis for holiday.
Better get some good Instagram.
Oh, I will. Don't you worry about that. And she also nicked my Polaroids, so.
Oh yeah.
Taking this one back.
Oh, that's your blazer there as well.
Is it actually? Oh yeah. Oh, I'd need that for holiday. Cheers, biggest. I mean, Ava agreed to go Kingston with me.
I haven't agreed yet.
Got later, and I got Chloe.
Hello.
Chloe's helping me pack. This is what it looks like at the moment.
Brilliant.
I just tucked it all in there because the cleaners were coming in. It was all over my floor, so I just tucked it in the suitcase. But I went to Kingston, and then I got disposable cameras. When I went in there, I was like, oh, how much is it? And he said 13, and I was like, 30 for one. But no, it was 30 for like basically two. So I got two. Can't go anywhere without disposable cameras. But it's quite late because we went and saw Ava at work. Big up Ava at work. And so yeah, now we're gonna pack, and I still haven't had my dinner yet, which I'm looking forward to. I'm cooking, me and Chloe.
Oh, are you?
Dinner. I am Chloe. You're in for a treat, honestly. You just wait. For my holiday, I bought this nice little skirt from Jade London because I saw this girl on Instagram and she had it with like a white shirt and it looked really nice.
Just the skirt, nothing else.
Yep, just the skirt. I have got a white shirt, but packed it. And then I got the Urban cargos because I had them in a small, but I got an extra small because with the other ones they just are too big. So I got an extra small, and I'm giving the small to my cousin. And then these are bikinis I got from Ava. So I got this bikini and then this one, leopard print moment. Ava gave me a necklace with her name on it, so I can always remember her. Acting like I'm going away for like a year. Only going away for 10 days. Chloe, what are you giving me for me to remember you?
My love.
Oh, thanks, that's so cute. Right, we're gonna start packing. Chloe's gone to help because for some reason she loves packing.
Oh, I love it. It's my favourite thing. I'm so jealous.
This is what we've got to deal with. I basically just got all my summer clothes out, dumped it, and then I need to make outfits. I don't really know how.
Oh my god,
but
you got so much.
I need to go for it. I've even got gym clothes because I'm a gym gal. You know, there is a gym there, so keep up the grind.
Yeah.
Okay, we've gone for it. I put a pile of my shorts here, and obviously that's ridiculous. I'm not going to take that many pairs of shorts. Repping the Devo. And then I've got my tops, dresses, skirts, shirts.
And a whole drawer of bikinis.
Bikinis. And then I got a jumper, and then my cargo's are over there for the winter. For like the evenings and stuff. Right, I've got to strategically think. If I'm going for 10 days,
you do not need this many clothes. Are you joking?
About 10 outfits, about 10 evening outfits. Jokes. Because shorts I can rewear.
Yeah,
I can rewear.
You do not need this many shorts, mate. Oh my god, look how many denim shorts you've got. Oh dear, I didn't have this many denim shorts in general, like let alone just go on holiday with.
Do you know what I didn't realise? You know Zara gift vouchers? You can use them in Bershka.
No harm.
Yeah, because I returned some stuff from Zara today, and then they put it back on my gift card, and I read the back and it said you can use it in like Bershka, Stradivarius. Because
oh my god.
I know, I was like, thank god that I got that return because I can buy something from thingy.
Right, what black shorts are you taking? Oh my god.
Where are they from?
These
are Levi ones.
You're a shopaholic, actually are.
I think that wasn't even joking, I actually am taking both. And then them ones, that's enough. I don't need them ones.
Are you sure?
Why not? if it doesn't fit in this suitcase. Because you can wear them for the evenings as well.
Yeah. Fine. I better see you in every single one of these shorts, I swear.
Honestly, Chloe, I'll send you a picture every single day when I'm wearing them. You'll watch me wear the same pair of shorts every single day.
Is it see-through?
No, I don't think so.
I'll go commando. I might need to go for your bikinis because seriously, it's actually a problem. It's actually
Does that stress you out, Chloe?
Yeah, a lot.
The thing is, I really like these bottoms, but they are a little bit big. And if I'm in, because I took them to Spain, but it's my nan's swim pool, so it doesn't really matter if they accidentally fell off. But if I'm like, go down the water
and you look up and your knickers are just still knickers.
Oh my god.
I'm actually crying.
Oh my god.
I have to get out of the pool with no. Oh, stop that.
That's actually like my biggest fear, I think. Oh. Nan, how much are you going to miss me on a scale of 1 to 10?
So much, so much.
The answer is about
11.
11. Good answer, Nan. Good answer. How much are you going to miss me, Holly?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you mean you don't know?
Bye, everyone.
See you later. Chloe offered to clean my Dior's, yeah, and look at the difference. Okay, she used toothpaste, and did you use micellar water?
Yeah, but I put the toothpaste on first and then put micellar water after.
Look at this, ready? Look at the difference. Wait, let me take it this way. Look at the difference, mate. No, look how dirty they are, and then it's clean. Chloe's found her new little business, guys.
Yeah, I know. Call me if you want your shoes cleaned.
I'm pretty much packed. Got my makeup, accessories, jewellery, all that. Hair straighteners, which was something I nearly forgot, and my hair rollers. That's not for me, obviously, that's baby's milk. Some shoes. I bought 3 pairs of trainers. Obviously I'm wearing them ones, which Chloe actually did an amazing job on these. They literally look brand new, mate. So I'm happy about them because they look fresh. And then these, I just need to get a pair of jeans from downstairs. Oh, bags.
Oh yeah.
I pretty much have everything. I just need to do my airport bag, which is my favourite thing to do because it's the least stressful thing ever. Look who's come for the shoe cleaning service.
What's the deal on 2 pairs? Like 2 for 1?
2 for 1. Nah.
2 for 1, but you gotta pay the price you paid for the trainers.
2 get 1 half price.
Right, so for my hand luggage, I've got Prada sunglasses, my Polaroid camera, and then 2 disposable cameras, with my card holder, and then my Apple Watch charger, and then I need to get one for my speaker, and then I'll be using my hairbrush tomorrow, so obviously I'm not gonna pack that yet. And then my speaker, which I need to grab the charger for as well, and then my laptop and the charger's going in there because I need to edit my video. Basically my bag's just full of like all the cameras and that, as you can tell. Gotta love the memories. And then at the end I can add it to my desk, which is actually my pride and joy. Okay, so now it's time to make my dinner. Chloe has gone home because she actually has school tomorrow. But I'm making dinner for me, my mum and my dad, as Grace already had dinner with the 2 little ones because she's a fussy eater, she doesn't eat meat. And I'm making a meal with meat in it because I love meat in my meal. Gotta get the protein in. This video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh, and HelloFresh make delicious and healthy meals which are super easy to make. So if you're like me and not that experienced in cooking, this literally makes it so easy. They're literally a game changer because I feel like my problem is I always eat out because I'm too lazy to cook, and this just makes it so much easier for cooking and stuff because it literally has a step-by-step guide, and I think it's less stressful than ordering food. And obviously as I'm eating healthy, HelloFresh helps me like keep track of my food and also make really nice meals that are obviously healthy and have all like the nutrition that I need. Also, another bonus is it doesn't get boring because obviously you try so many different recipes, and I feel like that's another struggle of mine. Like I can never think of like what to make for dinner, and I always end up going like on TikTok or something, but this way you can literally choose from the website and then make it at home, and I find it really easy, and they're always banging. The food all arrives in a box and it literally is labelled with the exact ingredients you want, so like nothing goes to waste, which is a huge bonus. And it also comes with a recipe guide, which I'll show you, like this, and literally step by step, written clearly, because you know when you like Google recipe and it has about 500 different steps and they're all like too confusing. Like, I look at that and that stresses me out, and that honestly puts me off cooking. It also helps me find loads of different recipes to try, and I get to try new foods. If you use my code, which I'll put on the screen, which is Hello Kaci, you can get 50% off your first order with HelloFresh and 35% off for the next 3 boxes, which is mad, so jump on that deal. Okay, so the water started boiling, so I added the rice, but I didn't film that because I could not add the rice and film at the same time. But I need to leave that now for 12 minutes. My eyes are streaming because I cut up onion. And my eyes are stinging so much right now. I don't actually really know how to cut onion. Like, is this how you do it? Like, that looks right, I think. I belong to you. Okay, so I chopped all the veg up, and I never realised that coriander smells so good. Like, it smells so fresh. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. Accidentally added the coriander because I thought it was just all the veg. Like, I didn't okay, I was a bit stupid and I didn't actually read this specific veg. Like, I just chucked everything that was on the chopping board on. The coriander looks like it's like dissolved. Dad, what do you think? Chef or chef?
Yeah, no, that looks decent and it smells
good,
so good.
And remember my discount code is on the screen. You can use Hello Kaci for 50% off your first box and then 35% off for your next 3 boxes. Check the description below for more details.
Okay, so can we eat now?
Yeah.
Oh, this looks good.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
It's better than Mum's cooking.
Don't let her hear you say that.
So good.
It smells better than your mum's cooking.
Oh my god, it's so good. We're never ever going to take away ever again.
Oh my god. That is actually so good.
I know. I don't know if it's me or HelloFresh.
I feel like this is the best ad for HelloFresh because the fact that you have made something that good is an absolute miracle.
I'm absolutely full from my dinner. So I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face. I might put a face mask on and then get in the shower because I want to try and scrub off all my tan. This is the current situation. I'm about to get in when this dries, which will be like 10 minutes. I'm going to get in the shower, put purple shampoo in my hair because I want it to look all nice and blonde for holiday. And then while that sets, I'm going to scrub my tan off. I'm going to use, I have like a tan remover, which from Bondi Tan, so I'm going to use that. I don't know if it works that well. I'm not sure. Don't really tell the difference. But I'm going to use that to try and scrub my tan off, wash my purple shampoo out, wash my hair and stuff. And yeah, just going to pamper myself a bit so I'm ready for holiday. I have a fresh skin so that I can tan. That's my mindset. And this is now the current situation. It's actually 10 past 2. But it's fine because I'm waking up at 10 tomorrow. So that's still 8 hours sleep. Which is fine, and I'm going on plane, so I'll just go sleep on the plane. But it's fine. I did like a full hair routine, that's why, because see, I need to prepare my hair for the damage it's going to go through with the sun and all the chlorine. So I like did purple shampoo, then like a hair mask, and then I did my normal shampoo and conditioner, but like I really exfoliated my scalp with the little thingy, and I really tried to scrub off my tan, but it didn't all come off. And that's one thing I'm actually annoyed about, because like when I get a tan, like if there's still leftover fake tan, what if it affects my tan? But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm gonna watch Friends, because if you know me, it's what I always watch to go to sleep. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to go look in the link in the description below about the HelloFresh, and I'll see you next time. Bye.